Hey guys, hope you're having fun. So today I have bought a simple soup recipe that can help to reduce your weight up to 5 kg. Yes, just add the soup in your daily routine and you can shed your 5 kg weight very easily. So here are the few benefits that pumpkin soup provides us. Number 1, with a good source of vitamin A, it helps to improve your eyesight. With lots of fiber, it helps to reduce your weight, as well as it is a very high source of energy which can help to improve your metabolism as well. So guys, here is a simple recipe for this soup. This soup contains only few ingredients and it adds so many benefits to your life. Anyone can make it. It is so simple. Whether you are child or adult, you can make it your own. So guys, I'm going to show you the recipe. Right now I'm going to make the soup for 2 people. So I'm going to take the serving according to it. If you want to increase the quantity, you can increase. Right now I have taken 500 gram of pumpkin and I have cut them into small cubical pieces. Make sure you wash the pumpkin properly before making the soup. Wash them properly whenever you want to make anything from your vegetables. Second ingredient is onion. I have taken 1 big onion. If the onion you are having small, you can take 2. Otherwise 1 is sufficient. Now I have chopped the garlic and onion into very small pieces. Make sure the chopped pieces are very small so that you don't get the big chunks when you have your soup, because we are going to simply whisk the soup after it. Now take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. I have taken olive oil that is good in weight reduction as well as. Let the oil heat and add onion and garlic to it. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes until the onion get brown color. Mix it well so that the flavor can blend in a very good manner. Just after the onion get brown, add to it pumpkin. Now with a very gentle hand, mix the pumpkin and onion cube in it. Mix well before adding water to it. After you mix them, add 3 cups of water to it. Yes, right now I am adding 3 cups of water to it. Mix them properly. Now, after adding water, you can cover your pan and wait for 10 to 15 minutes until your soup gets ready. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes and your soup is ready. After 10 to 15 minutes, open the lid and whisk the soup properly. Yes, when you open the lid, you will be getting this kind of mixture. Whisk it properly. If you want to get more slutty flavor, you can blend it with a hand blender. Gently mix it so that the entire ingredient can blend very easily. Mix them properly, and after this, you can have a very thick flavor of it. Just see, I have not added any arrowroot or anything because I don't want to add any harmful ingredient to it. Yes, arrowroot is not good for health. So without arrowroot, here is the thickness of the soup. It is very good and delicious. Now after this, you can garnish the soup with curry patta or coriander leaf. Even if you are a seed lover, you can add pumpkin seed, flax seed, chia seeds or sunflower seeds, as seed add another benefit to this soup. So guys, this was a simple and the best soup that can help to reduce your weight very quickly. Hope you guys like this video. Thank you. Guys like my video? If so, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification about my videos. Thank you guys.